Seasonality is an important part of most all the different trade setups that I'm always looking for. So I'm always looking for the seasonality aspects of various market assets, and one that's coming up here down the road is going to be on natural gas. Hi, I'm Larry Gaines from PowerCycleTrading.com, and I wanted to point out this potential seasonal trade to watch out for coming up in the next days or weeks. So this is on natural gas. And so this is the May continuation contract. And if you look at this, this goes back 5 years. That's the red line, 15 and 30 for the May contract. Now, when we get into the end of December, early January, right about here, about January 9th, we tend to get a cycle low. And then we have a nice rally up into the 14th. So we have that, and then it pulls back again, and then another rally back up into the end of Jan, a pullback, but then right here, at the end of February, you get a really extended, strong potential rally all the way up into April. So this has the potential to offer some great trade setups coming into 2023 on natural gas. And here's the June natural gas contract, and you can see just how strong this contract is when we get into the end of February, about the 26th of February, right here. We tend to get a really big seasonal trend starting to shift up. So you can see over the last 30 years, this trend has potential to extend into the mid part to end of April. So we want to be watching for this. Now, it's not ready yet, but what we're going to look for to tell us when the bottom is in is we're going to use momentum. So here's the natural gas futures contract. And you can see it's had a massive downtrend and just really accelerated to the downside, back here, the first part of December. So you can see this just beautiful descending trend, and it's coming into a kind of area of support here around 375 to 350. So momentum is still hard down, so it's not ready to be set up yet, but I want to have this on my watch list, and when this momentum starts shifting up, that's going to tell us when it's time to get in. And this reversal indicator right here will cross up to the upside as well. So it's a great combination of tools for picking the direction and when it's time to buy. Now here's another one to point out. This is again natural gas on the weekly, which I refer to as the long-term time frame. It's into really some major support here. You can see this blue line right there. That's the 200-week moving average coming right in here at 375, where we're currently trading right now. And then you can see all this price action support going back into 2021. See that where it came down here? That was the 375. Rallied back up, came back down, held, and then had a big, huge rally. So this is what we want to look for, but what we want to see, the first signal will be when we get the alert indicator down here below. This is our reversal indicator. When that starts crossing back up, across that yellow line, that's going to be the first signal that this is a potential change in the long-term cycle for natural gas. And that's what we'll be looking for to be aligned with the seasonal trend that has some big potential once we get into January, February. So hope this helps. Good luck trading. I'll talk to you on my next video update.